Arc flash hazards begin where power is concentrated, so we start at the source, the electrical room.
Arc flash analysis identifies the energy levels and boundaries needed to keep technicians safe. Arc flash analysis begins by collecting system data, like transformer ratings, breaker settings, and cable details.
Next, the short circuit current is calculated. This fault current is the base input for determining arc flash energy.
Protection coordination shows how fast breakers trip. Clearing time directly affects the arc flash energy. Using arcing current and breaker clearing time, the software calculates the incident energy at the working distance. Arc flash boundary is set to show how far energy can cause injury. Workers must stay outside this limit. Based on the incident energy, the correct PPE category is chosen to protect workers during energized tasks. Arc flash analysis ensures every step, from fault current to PPE, is calculated for safe and reliable operation.